Drop for drop, nobody provides a better shower experience than the PowerSoak shower head by Oxygenics. If you're tired of the same old shower routine, the PowerSoak is here to turn the tide. It's packed with 5 pressure-boosting settings, like the powerful Multi Oxygenics or the relaxing WideStream, so you're sure to find just the right setting for your mood. Speaking of settings, the patent-pending Pendulum spray provides 14 inches of dynamic coverage. It crashes down like a pulsating massage, relaxing sore muscles and improving circulation. It's an amazing experience you'll only find with Oxygenics. A 6-inch spray face with 5 spray settings provides ample coverage from head to toe. Each setting is powered by technology that increases the feeling of pressure while maximizing efficiency. Our Oxygenics spray setting works like mini turbine jets, infusing the water with oxygen to expand each drop and significantly increase power, so you'll use less water while enjoying more skin revitalizing benefits. Oxygenics products are built to last and come with our never clog warranty. Oxygenics, now that's pure shower genius.